Welcome to Smart Buys. Discover a curated lineup of smart, comfort-boosting home upgrades from soothing massagers and spa-style relaxation tools to ergonomic loungers and practical wellness gadgets. Each pick is designed to make everyday routines easier, cozier, and feel your best at home. All products links in the description section below. Finding a fitness routine that seamlessly blends into everyday life can make all the difference, and that's where a smart indoor bike truly shines. Whether you're squeezing in a quick ride before school, unwinding after a long day, or building a consistent training habit, the mix of adjustable resistance, realistic incline changes, and interactive classes helps every session feel both engaging and doable. It creates a lifestyle rhythm that supports stronger energy, better focus, and a more active mindset without needing to step outdoors. And with features designed for comfort and performance, it becomes a natural part of staying motivated. Currently priced at $1,300 for your daily fitness journey ahead. Building a calming routine at home gets so much easier when your wellness tools feel comforting and effortless to use. A stretching mat massager brings that spa-like release into your everyday setting, helping you unwind after long hours, loosen up tight muscles, or simply reset your body before bed. With soothing heat, adjustable intensity, and guided stretching modes, it fits perfectly into a chill morning ritual, post-work recovery, or a quick break during a busy day. Its foldable, easy to store design makes it just as practical as it is relaxing, encouraging you to actually use it consistently. Priced at $158.37 for deeper relaxation every day. Working movement into your day feels a lot easier when the equipment you use is simple, comfortable, and fits naturally into your routine. A compact thigh trainer can slide right into morning stretches, quick office breaks, or evening workouts, giving you a focused way to strengthen your inner thighs, hips, and pelvic floor without needing a full gym setup. Its adjustable resistance and soft, flexible padding make each session feel manageable, whether you're building toning habits or aiming for better stability and control. And because it's lightweight and portable, you can keep up with your progress almost anywhere. Priced at $26.99 to support your fitness goals daily. Creating small moments of comfort throughout your day can make a huge difference, especially when tension or tight muscles start to build up. A compact back massager slips easily into your routine whether you're unwinding after work, recovering from long hours at a desk, or just giving yourself a quick reset before bed. With soothing heat, adjustable intensity, and deep kneading nodes, it brings a warm, cozy kind of relief that feels like an at-home mini massage session. Its simple design makes it easy to use anywhere, helping you stay relaxed and refreshed without interrupting your day. Priced at $59.99 to support easier relaxation anytime you need it. Spending time outdoors feels so much better when you have a cozy spot to truly unwind, and a hammock-style camping chair brings that comfort anywhere you go. Whether you're chilling at a campsite, lounging by the water, or setting up a relaxing corner in your backyard, the blend of gentle swinging, breathable fabric, and a built-in head pillow creates the perfect place to kick back. The retractable footrest and adjustable angles make it easy to find your ideal lounging position, while the foldable, lightweight design means you can take it on every adventure without hassle. Priced at $72.99 for relaxed outdoor moments anywhere you go. Taking care of your legs after long days of standing, training, or just moving around becomes a lot easier when you have something soothing to come home to. An air compression leg massager fits right into a relaxing evening routine, helping you unwind on the couch, recover after workouts, or ease tension before bed. With heating options, adjustable pressure, and wraparound coverage from feet to thighs, it brings that warm, restorative feeling you usually only get from a spa. Its simple controls and comfortable design make it easy to use regularly, helping you stay consistent with self-care that actually feels good. Priced at $119.99 for comforting recovery whenever you need it. Adding a simple recovery routine to your day can make workouts feel smoother and your body feel more balanced overall. A foam roller set gives you plenty of options whether you're loosening tight calves after a run, easing back tension from sitting too long, or warming up your muscles before a workout. With different tools for deep pressure, gentle stretching, and trigger point release, it's easy to customize what your body needs at the moment. And because everything fits neatly in a lightweight carry bag, you can take your recovery gear from home to the gym or even outdoors. Priced at $39.95 for everyday mobility and relief. After a long day on your feet, there's something incredibly calming about giving your legs a moment to unwind. A good calf massager fits so naturally into an evening routine whether you're settling in after work, easing discomfort from standing, or just wanting that warm, soothing pressure while you watch TV. The adjustable modes make it easy to tailor each session to how your legs feel, and the gentle heat adds that extra touch of relief for tired muscles. It's one of those small habits that quietly boosts your daily comfort and recovery without much effort. Priced at $63.99 for simple relaxation that supports you. Adding a fun, energetic twist to your workouts makes it easier to stick to a fitness routine, and a music boxing machine does exactly that. Perfect for home, office, or even a small gym corner, it combines reflex training, cardio, and rhythm-driven movement to keep your sessions engaging. The adjustable speed levels let you customize the intensity, while Bluetooth music integration makes every punch feel like part of a dance. It's a unique way to relieve stress, improve focus, and stay active without feeling like a chore. Compact and easy to set up, it encourages consistent use. Priced at $60.99 for active, playful fitness moments anytime. Giving your feet and calves a proper moment of care can completely transform how your body feels after a long day. A foot and calf massager fits effortlessly into daily routines, whether you're unwinding after work, recovering from workouts, or simply enjoying a relaxing evening at home. With multiple compression modes, adjustable intensity, and soothing heat, it provides a professional-level massage experience that encourages circulation, eases soreness, and relieves fatigue. Its user-friendly design makes it simple to slip into your schedule, turning consistent self-care into a stress-free habit. Priced at $123.48 for revitalizing comfort whenever your legs need relief. Treating your feet to a warm, soothing soak can completely change how you feel after a busy day. A portable foot soaker makes it easy to enjoy a mini spa experience at home, whether you're relaxing after work, pampering yourself on the weekend, or combining it with your evening unwind routine. Its lightweight, ergonomic design fits easily into any space, while the built-in massage nodes stimulate key pressure points to improve circulation and relieve tension. Compact and simple to use, it encourages regular self-care without hassle, turning a few minutes into a rejuvenating ritual. Priced at $22.99 for everyday cozy foot relief anywhere. Creating a dedicated space for relaxation at home can completely elevate your well-being, and a full-body massage chair makes it effortless. With zero-gravity reclining, heated rollers, and air compression massage, it brings spa-level comfort straight into your living room. Whether you're winding down after a long day, recovering from workouts, or just enjoying a quiet evening with music, the chair's smart touchscreen and Bluetooth speakers make it easy to personalize every session. The combination of luxurious full leather, adjustable foot rollers, and full-body massage capabilities transforms downtime into a restorative ritual. Priced at $999.99 for premium, all-in-one home relaxation every day. Strengthening your core doesn't have to be complicated, and an adjustable machine brings focused, effective workouts right into your home. Whether you're aiming for a leaner midsection, improving posture, or enhancing overall fitness, this versatile equipment targets your ABS, obliques, and even upper body muscles with every movement. The built-in spring system supports proper form, while adjustable resistance lets you challenge yourself at your own pace. Compact and easy to integrate into your daily routine, it encourages consistency without overwhelming your space. From beginners to advanced users, it makes core training approachable, safe, and effective. Priced at $169.99 for sculpted ABS and full-body results daily. Finding targeted relief for lower back or sciatica pain can make a big difference in daily comfort, and a deep tissue massager fits seamlessly into your routine. Compact and portable, it's perfect for use at home, in the office, or even while traveling, helping you manage discomfort without interrupting your day. Combining heat, vibration, and light therapy, it targets sore muscles and improves circulation, giving a spa-like experience in minutes. Adjustable intensity levels make it easy to customize the massage to your needs, whether you want a gentle relaxation session or deep tissue relief. Priced at $35.99 for convenient pain relief anytime, anywhere. Pampering your feet after a long day can instantly lift your mood, and a multifunctional foot spa bath makes it simple and enjoyable. Combining heat, bubbles, massage rollers, red light therapy, and a pumice stone, it provides a relaxing, at-home pedicure experience while soothing tired muscles and improving circulation. Its compact, foldable design fits easily into any space, making regular use effortless, whether you're settling in after work or enjoying a weekend self-care ritual. With easy one-button or remote control operation, it encourages consistent relaxation and wellness habits. Priced at $37.90 for revitalized, comfortable feet anytime, anywhere in your home. Creating a cozy, relaxing corner at home doesn't have to be complicated sometimes. All it takes is a comfortable recliner that fits your space and your routine. Whether you're winding down after work, watching your favorite shows, or sneaking in a quick afternoon nap, an adjustable massage recliner adds that extra layer of comfort you didn't realize you were missing. With customizable reclining angles, built-in lumbar massage, and a soft, supportive design, it's the kind of seat that invites you to slow down a little more each day. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for smaller rooms or home theater setups. Priced at $101.01 for everyday comfort you'll look forward to. In a world where our hands rarely get a break typing, texting, cooking, carrying, it feels incredibly refreshing to have a moment of warmth and gentle compression just for them. A cordless hand massager fits so easily into a daily routine, whether you're unwinding after work, easing tension from long study sessions, or just giving yourself a quiet pause in the middle of the day. With customizable intensity levels and cozy heat, it turns a simple few minutes into a small ritual of relief. And because it's portable and rechargeable, you can use it anywhere without fuss. Priced at $99.97, it's a comforting upgrade your hands will thank you for. After a long day on your feet, there's something really refreshing about a device that helps your body unwind without any effort. This nerve stimulator fits seamlessly into everyday routines, whether you're settling in before bed, taking a quick break at your desk, or just giving your legs a moment of relief after standing or walking. Its foldable mat and simple LCD controls make it feel effortless to use, almost like a small wellness ritual you'll actually stick to. And with a current price of $39.99, it's an easy way to add a little extra comfort to your day whenever you need it most. There's something special about turning an ordinary bath into a cozy escape, and this BathJet Spa makes that upgrade feel effortless. Whether you're winding down after a long day, soothing sore muscles, or just treating yourself to a quiet moment, its flowing jets and soft bubble mode bring a spa-like feel right into your tub. The cordless design means you can set it up anywhere without fuss, and the adjustable speeds let you dial in the exact level of relaxation you want. With a current price of $72.99, it's an inviting way to create your own little wellness ritual whenever you need a calm reset. There's something incredibly calming about having a dedicated spot to fully stretch out and recharge, and this zero-gravity chaise makes that moment of escape feel even better. Its curved, ergonomic shape naturally eases pressure from your back and joints, helping you melt into a position that feels weightless after a long day. Whether you're reading, scrolling, meditating, or simply doing nothing at all, the supportive foam and included pillow keep you comfortably settled. Plus, the removable cover makes upkeep super simple. Sitting at $131.30, it's a cozy way to create a personal relaxation corner that encourages you to slow down and linger a little longer.